How to change tracking number on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can change tracking number on Mercari. So let's go. The first step is for you to log in into your Mercari's account. Once you are logged in, move to the top right corner and then click on your profile icon. Right, it could be found anywhere around here. Once you are logged in, you will no longer see login or sign up. You will see the profile icon instead. Then once you can see that, click on it, and then in the menu that is displayed, select settings, or instead select order history. Select your order history option, and then you'll be taken to the history page where you see all of the orders in the past. Then once you can see all of this, the next step is for you to select the order whose tracking number you'd like to update or change, and then tap on the order. And after tapping on it, you will see a list of options, okay, such as help, such as request a refund, such as can't fulfill. Ensure you click on the help option. By clicking on the help button, a mini page will be displayed on the screen asking you to explain the situation and what you need help for. Go ahead, state that you would like to change the tracking number for the order, then explain the situation further, maybe state reasons why, then include the new tracking number that you'd like to use and any relevant details in your message to Mercari support. The Mercari will review your request and update the tracking information accordingly. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a safe sale.